Welcome back, tech newbies. My name is Don. If you have seen my Budget NAS video, you might recall that I have some spare PC parts from that build because of a change of plan midway through the build process. A few days ago, my wife's work from home PC broke down. An opportune time to spend money. Or scratch that. An opportune time to build a new PC and please the wife. So today, we are building a new work from home PC for the Wifey. Let's go.
Tech newbies.
Intel i3-9100. This was supposed to be the processor I intend to build my budget NAS on, until I found a very cheap CPU motherboard and RAM bundle. Asus Prime B365M-A motherboard, originally intended for my budget NAS. G-Skill Ripjaws 2x16GB 2400 MHz DDR4 memory, the RAMs that I was supposed to use for my NAS. I know 32GB seems like overkill, but I already have them, so might as well use them. Western Digital Green 240GB M.2 SATA drive. This was pulled out of my Asus TUF FX504 laptop, which was upgraded to Samsung Evo 970 Plus. Western Digital Blue 320GB hard disk. This was a relic hard disk from my last rig, way back 2012. Deepcool Gamax GTE version 2 White, one of the cheapest CPU coolers out there that actually performs. Silverstone ST60F-ES230 650W PSU. I opted to pull this out of my budget NAS and upgrade its PSU to a Platinum certified PSU for better efficiency since the NAS is on 24/7. 6 pieces generic white LED fans, the cheapest fans I could find. Rack Halia M Black Micro ATX tempered glass gaming case, one of the cheapest and most popular gaming cases available locally. That completes the build for now. Actually, I have 2 more incoming parts for this build. Unfortunately, I can no longer wait for those to arrive because my wife needs this PC. The funny thing is, after completing the build video, those parts arrived the next day. Those parts are Western Digital Blue 500GB NVMe and Asus Strix GTX 1650 Super GPU. Well, I have to install this. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Keep safe. Peace.